I'm Quados and in this video I will show you how to add a new preset package to Serum. Wenn du dieses Video lieber in Deutsch schauen möchtest, dann kannst du entweder die Untertitel einschalten oder du kannst auf den ersten Link in der Videobeschreibung klicken. First of all, you click on Show Serum Presets folder. Then an Explorer window should appear on your screen. The folder structure you see here is exactly the same as in Serum. If you open up another window with your new presets, you can either drag and drop them into this folder and create a new subfolder. Or you can of course move the individual presets to their specific folders. The important thing here is that you make sure that the files have the correct ending. So a preset must be an .fxp file and an LFO shape should be an .shp file. If you have LFO presets like me, then you should not drag them into the presets folder. To install them, you have to go back one folder and drag them into the LFO folder. And if you downloaded new noises, then you have to look for the right file ending as well and drag them into the proper folder. Once you restarted FL Studio, Logic or whichever DAW you are using, the new presets should be installed. That my video can help others, I would appreciate if you give the video a thumbs up or even share it. See you in the next video.